Welcome to our tutorial on how to view system notifications on Telegram on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, launch Telegram on your device. Make sure the app is up and running to access your notifications effectively. Next, locate the three lines icon in the top left corner of the screen. This icon serves as the menu button, providing access to various options within the app. Now, click on Settings to delve deeper into customizing your Telegram experience. This step is essential to navigate through different settings available to you. Once in the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to manage how you receive notifications and the sounds associated with them. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access and customize your system notifications on Telegram while using it on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your messaging app settings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy messaging!